Hello, boys and girls. I'm so happy to be back with you again today for another exciting lesson about the human body. Now, we know we have talked about our bones and our skeletal system. We've talked about our muscles and our muscular system and how they work together to make our body move. Yesterday, we talked about our digestive system and how we give our body energy. Well, today we're going to talk about another system called your circulatory system, or as I like to call it, your body's superhighway. Now, before we get started, let's go ahead and take a look at those words that are going to be showing up in our story that maybe might be new to us. All right, boys and girls, our first word is blood. Now, blood is a liquid that circulates throughout your body. It brings nutrients and oxygen to and from all of the parts. Another word is blood vessels, which are the pathways that the body gets to, or the blood circulates around your body. Circulatory system is the whole system made up of your heart and your blood vessels that are responsible for the blood moving throughout your body. Our next word is heart. This is that very important muscle that helps or is responsible for pumping blood throughout your body. And our last word we might need to hear before our story starts is pulse. That is the regular beat of blood in your arteries as the heart pumps it through your body. Now, boys and girls, those will be some of those words we hear throughout our story as we get ready to hear about our circulatory system. Ouch! Yesterday, I cut my finger. Yes, even a pediatrician, a doctor for children, like me, sometimes has little accidents. The fun part is that I got to put on one of these super cool polka dot Band-Aids that I keep in my office. Have you ever cut yourself or skinned your knee? When people get a cut or scrape that breaks the skin, it usually bleeds. The blood that comes out is just a tiny part of all the blood that you have in your body, and your body will make more to replace it. Blood keeps us alive. It travels through the body and carries everything your body needs to live. A grown-up like me has about 10 pints of blood. That's the same as 20 glasses of water. So 20 cups of these will be how much blood is in my body. Now, the blood's not just sloshing around inside of you. It moves through tubes called blood vessels. Some are big and some are small. A map of the blood vessels in a human body looks a lot like tangled spaghetti. But your blood vessels are actually laid out very carefully, like a well-planned system of highways and roads. They carry blood to every single part of you, from the top of your head to the tips of your fingers and toes. They are part of a system called the circulatory system that includes your heart and blood. The blood is able to move through your blood vessels because of your heart. Your heart muscle is about the size of your fist. Go and make a fist for me. That is the size of your heart. Now put your right hand in the middle of your chest and move it a little to the left. Your heart is right underneath there, inside your chest, protected by those rib bones. Your heart is a hard worker, just like you. Its job is to pump your blood all around your body through your blood vessels. This movement of your blood around your body is called circulation. Okay, now everyone stand up. And when I say go, run in place right where you are until I say stop. I'm gonna let you get settled. Ready, set, go. Run, 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 run. Now stop. Place your hand on your chest. Can you feel your heart pounding in your chest? When you exercise, Your heart has to work harder than when you're resting. It is easier then to feel it beating. Can you feel that? That is your pulse. Your heart is hollow on the inside. It's divided into 4 parts, like 4 little rooms, and they're called chambers. The top 2 chambers hold the blood that's coming into your heart, and the bottom 2 chambers hold the blood that's going out of your heart. Heart valves, like tiny gates, keep the chambers separate. They open and close to let the blood in and out of the chambers. Now, everyone make that fist again. In order to do this, we have to make our muscles in your hand tight. Now loose, tight again. 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 This is what happens over and over in your heart without you ever having to think about it. When the heart muscles contract or tighten, blood goes out of the chambers. When the heart muscle relaxes, the blood flows in. So squeeze your hand tight. When your hand's like this, the heart is pushing the blood out. Loosen, the blood comes in. Tight, blood comes out. Loosen, blood comes in. Your body needs 2 things to stay alive. Oxygen, which we know is in the air when we breathe, and nutrients. Oxygen is taken out of the air inside your lungs. Nutrients come from the foods you eat as it moves through your intestines. Your blood carries the oxygen and nutrients to all parts of your body so that you can stay alive, move, think, and grow. Your blood also cleanses your body and takes away the waste or the things your body doesn't need. It takes about 1 minute for your blood to travel from your heart all the way back to your body. So I'm going to set a timer and we're going to get ready to see what 1 minute looks like. Ready, set, go. So your blood is in your heart. It takes 1 minute. It is traveling all through your body to all the different areas, moving around. Here it comes. All right, halfway through your body. Going all the way from your heart to all the different parts and back. Boys and girls, your blood went everywhere through your body and back in that amount of time. That's amazing. Veins, arteries, and capillaries are types of blood vessels found throughout your body. Veins bring blood to the heart. Arteries carry them away. There's capillaries are the tiny blood vessels that connect your arteries and veins. They carry blood to even the smallest parts of your body. It's very important to have a strong, healthy heart. If you came to me, Dr. Wellbody, for a checkup, I would use my stethoscope to listen to your heartbeat. A healthy heart makes a sound with each beat that sounds like this. Lub-dub, lub-dub, lub-dub. The sound comes from the heart as it pumps the blood. Even without a stethoscope, you can feel your heart working. You can feel your pulse in places where an artery is close to the skin. So for example, show me 2 fingers. You can put them on the side of your wrist and feel and kind of pinch down a little bit. Or one place that I think works really well is if you take your 2 fingers and put them right under your chin. Do you feel that? That movement you feel is your heartbeat. Each beat is caused by the squeezing of your heart. So let's put our hands there again. Lub-dub, lub-dub. You can feel that from your heart. Remember that your heart is the most important muscle in your body. So how do we make that muscle strong? By exercising it. That means moving hard, moving fast when you dance, play basketball, swim, jump rope. You're exercising, not just your arms and legs, but your heart as well. Another way to take care of your heart is to eat lots of fruits and vegetables that are good for you, instead of those pops and chips and candy. By exercising and eating healthy foods, you will be helping your heart stay healthy and strong for many years to come. Now, as we love to do, here is our rhyming part of the day. Listen first, then we'll say it together. My heart is always working. It's busy night and day. It's pumping while I'm sleeping and while I work and play. Let's give a cheer for hearts now. For hearts. Hip, hip, hooray! Let's try that together. I'll say it first. You repeat it back. My heart is always working. It's busy night and day. It's pumping while I'm sleeping and while I work and play. Let's give a cheer for hearts now. For hearts, hip, hip, hooray! Next time, we will learn about the control center of your body. That's the brain. So don't forget to bring yours along. See you soon.